Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and in this video I'm going to make a laundry bucket. The reason why laundry bucket is that because I have seen a video of similar kind of bucket in which the YouTuber was not able to sweep the cuts properly, and due to that because the channel was so popular and uh, even I don't want to mention the name of that, but then because he was not able to make a cut properly, people start making comment on Creo that how bad it is, and while the problem was that the user was not able to make the bucket properly. So that was the reason why I decided to make this video, and so let's get started. Now starting with the extrude command, I have just made an ellipse and just I'm giving it a height, and then from option I'm just going to add a taper. Let it be around 15 degree. Okay, now let all the things be as it is and make a surface. Now next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna extrude. We're gonna make a plane and we're gonna trim it. I just want to trim this by 5 degree. I don't want to make a simple bucket. Let it be a little bit stylish, and just the sketch should be crossing the bucket, and that's all. No need to enclose the entire. I mean, I'm not going to make a close sketch. Rather than I'm gonna make a surface. And now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim the upper surface by this surface. So I'm just using the trim tool. Oops. Let's select it again. First select the bottom part. Now I'm gonna select the upper part. Now just fill this one using fill command. Let's make a sketch. Reference, define, and then as this was the default plane of our extrude, so this would be common. If let's make ellipse again, similar one, center and axis, center and measure axis. Let's go to sketch. Now defining the minor axis, and now okay. So here we go. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna merge both of surface, merge, and okay. Next thing is to add a round. Let's make it 10 and select the edge. Automatically loop got selected and it got completed. Now let's make upper profile of bucket. Just select the pick from list and select the entire curve. so that the sweep could got into the entire face. Now just make the profile 3-point tangent arc and tangent. As we can see here, we can easily see our constraints. It is coincident as well as tangent. Let's lock this one and make it as a sweep it as a surface again, like we did previously. And now I'm just going to make it 10 because I think it is a little bit smaller. Let's make it 8. Now regenerate, and then we would be merging both of them. Let's select and now merge. So now this entire model became a single part. Now let's add some thickness to outer side and make the dimension to 2.5. Now the next thing that we would be doing is let's first of all enable the planes. And let's make a plane which would be parallel to the upper surface, which we had which upper surface is at 5 degree. We have already trimmed that with the help of another surface. Now let's make a plane also at similar angle, and let's take axis and a plane. Now we have made a plane. Now I think it is more, so let's check the angle again. Oh, it's 5 degrees, so I have made a plane of 10 degrees. So let's modify this again. Let's make this value 5 just by doing quick edit and press Ctrl+G to regenerate. And now I'm just creating another datum plane which would be at 70 mm, sorry. Now let's make an intersection between the plane and the curve. So let's intersect this. So here we have a curve. Now what next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the points. So pick from list and select the entire curve chain, because we are going to add point to the entire profile, not in a half chain curve. So I have decided to add around 25 points. So the ratio would be 0.04. Okay. Now I'm gonna just pattern this. Just click on pattern and dimension pattern. Click on the value and the quantity, which is 25, and click OK. Now I'm just going to make an axis so that I can make a profile. So here we have made an axis which is tangent to the curve and going through the point. And now let's make another axis which should be through the point and normal to the curve. Just adjust the outline. Oops, undo. Now I had to add another point. Let's do it again. Select the point, press Ctrl and select the axis and just drag the point from the previous point so that we can trace a curve through points. So I'm just making an offset of 10. Now curve through point. Select both the points and select the straight line. Now we're just gonna sweep. We're just gonna create a sweep. So sweep. Okay. So in reference, we need to tell them X direction. So we already have created axis along the X direction. Now let's create the profile. Here I'm just gonna make another ellipse, center and defining the ends. Yep, this is perfect vertical. But I'm not in a sketch view, so it seems that it is not, but actually it is vertical. So the major axis is 15 and minor axis is 9. And allow section. Now here I've just cut this. Now just group all the construction features like axis, point, the curve, and just pattern them. The reason of patterning them is so that we can pattern sweep also, because we have added a point, so it have the pattern automatically pattern command automatically considered it as a reference, which is great. And just increasing the size. I think these are quite small, making the major dia as 25 and the minor dia as 12. Just Ctrl plus Z or regenerate, and now just hide the axis display and point display. And this curve, I just wanted to hide this intersection curve and points and local groups. Yes, now we have easily we are easily able to make this kind of cuts to our bucket without any failure, which we have seen and which motivated me to make this video. Now I'm just gonna use flexible modeling to pattern this entire. Now I'm just using recognize pattern tool of flexible modeling so that these all cuts could be easily recognizable when I would be performing the next step. Now just move, select by using cut command and press Ctrl and just take this dragger to the bottom plane, and now just specify the distance, how much gap you want to put in between, and now hit on copy, not move, Now go to option and click on propagate to pattern symmetry and select the pattern recognition. So here we go. The same profile got copied to the specified distance with pattern. Here we go. Now we have just completed the bucket, and now let's apply color to it. Just going to the plastics and let's apply the glossy one. I do not like the color of it, so let's add some different color. Let's make it pink. I think this is okay. So now rather than selecting the features, I'm just gonna select the part, and now let's edit the scene. We can even edit the lights, how the light is falling to the object, and we can even add lights or effects to it, like this way, just increasing the intensity a little bit and enabling the shadow softness. So this is the new thing that we got in Creo 4, that is the real-time rendering. So because my processor is not that much strong, so due to that it would take a few moments to make a realistic rendered image. So let's just close this one, and now I just want to edit this one and want to add some textures. So I'm just searching some suitable textures that I could add to this bucket. Let's try this one, the carbon bomb, and apply. Now it looks nice. So this is our final bucket. This is our final bucket. I hope guys this video might help you in order to make a bucket, and you could even try with the different you can also make the bucket with different styles. So as of now, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have you like my video, and if yes, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and till then, bye.